Are you new to share investing? Are you trying to work out when the best time to buy is? I'm going to show you exactly how to do this today. Hello, my name's Russell Markham. I work for VectorVest. Before we get going today, let's just move myself out the way. Please note our disclaimer statement there, our license numbers. In addition, general advice only. Please speak to your financial advisor for personal advice. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Right, with that said, let's jump into VectorVest, and I'm going to show you some very powerful analysis here. In the VectorVest system, we have what we call market timing. And I've put on our most conservative timing signals, our confirmed signals. So when you get a green upward pointing triangle, it notes that the market's moving up on average, and it's a good time to consider going in. Although this was short-lived, it pulled back and then it whizzed away, bit of a pullback, whizzed away, big pullback, and we're waiting for the next, as we call, confirmed signal, and we're expecting that to bounce off quite heavily. The bigger the pullback, so here was quite a sharp pullback, it tends to snap back quite quickly. This was a shorter pullback, and it snapped back quite remarkably considering it was only a short pullback. This one here was a bit of a longer pullback, and it shot up. But this is the big one. Typically, a lot of buying opportunities, the most explosive buying opportunities take place on a big pullback, which we've seen. So the next question then is, if I were to put on the date line here, just to show you what date this was. So 28 February. Was 28 February a good time to be in the market or consider going into the market? Certainly not, right? The market had a big pullback with all the announcements behind tariffs, etc. Conversely, what about this time period here? Was that a good time to be in the market? Go in. The 19th of September 2024 proved to be a very lucrative time to be in the market. So when looking to buy in, you want to look to line it up with the entry signals that we give you. When you hit a down signal, we're not saying rush out and sell everything. Just make sure your stop losses are in place. You'd only look to replace and buy up further stocks when the green triangle pointing up resumes. All right, so that's what we provide to our subscribers each and every day. So what if we were to go back in time for a bit of fun here? 22nd of August. Let's go and find some of the best performing type of stocks out there. And back on the 22nd of August, I'm going to go to this watch list here called High CI Prospects. It's a watch list we provide in VectorVest. Don't get all concerned about what it entails exactly. If you take out a trial to VectorVest, you can certainly dig into all the finer details. But suffice as to say, back on the 22nd of August, here were some of these high-performing stocks. So the idea being, if you can line up market timing and then buy into those good quality companies that are moving up in price, you're putting yourself in a good position to make money. So let's have a look. 22nd of August 2024, and let's do this. I'm going to quick folio all of these. I'll push OK. Open the portfolio now. It's a function within VectorVest. It allows us to carry out some analysis there to see how everything performed. You can see all the wonderful functionality that we provide, all these key things. I'll just keep it nice and simple, so you can see all the analysis you can do in it. Don't get too worked up with what all these different columns and that mean. Just keep it simple to begin with. Those stocks per the High CI Prospects watch list that we provided to you on the 22nd of August, which corresponded to the entry date here with a green up signal, they returned, you can see over here, about 16%, all right, since that time period. You can see the journey. This is the journey, how they performed. You can see in recent times with the tariff announcements out they came, and down went the portfolio, and it's bouncing back up again. The idea being here that if you pick up some really good quality fundamental and technical stocks, so some good quality stocks, you time it in as the market's going up, then you get to enjoy some of the explosive upside. So here we timed it, either that signal or that signal would have been absolutely perfect to get in, and we were able to make more than enough to keep us running in spite of a pullback. We'd banked a lot of the momentum here. The pullback kicked in, we're rebounding again, but because we've locked in so much up here already, this didn't impact us nearly as much. And so that's what it's all about, getting your market timing right, getting in those good quality fundamental and technical stocks into your portfolio, and away you go. So if I was new to investing, first thing I'd do with VectorVest is I'd log into VectorVest, I'd go to the market timing graph, I'd make sure that I was buying in on a green triangle per the confirmed signals. Then I'd hop over and I'd find some of the best stocks out there, and we've got lots of different ones you can find. I'd look at something like the high CI prospects. These are nice, smooth, upward trending stocks. I'd look at a couple of those when the market was trending up, and that way you put yourself in a good position to get these type of returns. Time your market, get your market timing right. We're not saying you need to buy in and out, but when looking to go in, you want to get your timing right, set yourself up for success. I hope you got a lot out of this short video. Until next time, bye for now.